Interoperability. So Dockstore relies on getting your content from a variety of places. You can upload your content to Bitbucket, GitHub, or GitLab, and then we will be able to crawl your workflows and register them on Dockstore. Once they're in Dockstore, since we implement a number of GA4GH standards, we are able to integrate with a variety of analysis environments in order to run your workflows. Currently, we have over 700 tools and workflows available on Dockstore itself. So I'm going through this really briefly, and you'll go through this tutorial, and there's a lot of terms that I'm throwing at you. You will learn more about what Docker and workflow languages actually mean, but to sort of give you somewhere to shoot for or something to look forward to, after going through this tutorial, you will be able to make reproducible workflows. And there's a lot of Dockstore features around increasing the reproducibility of your workflows. So features like the ability to version and snapshot your workflows, to generate GUIs and distribute them through Zenodo, and the ability to create organizations and collections for sharing and finding workflows.